Hi sweetie, this is Sogyang, your most welcome. Today I want to teach you the pattern of this beautiful Irish crochet lace sleeve. This video is dedicated to you, so let's do together. Start the slip knot and chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Insert your hook in first chain and make a slip stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains. Make 5 double crochets in this ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains and make 5 double crochets again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Make a slip stitch in third chain. Now I'm going to crochet chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Yarn over twice and make a triple crochet in first double crochet. Make a triple crochet again in same stitch. And make a double crochet in same stitch. Make a double crochet in next stitch. Make a half double crochet in same stitch. Make a single crochet in next stitch. Make a single crochet in next stitch. Make a single crochet in next stitch. Make a double crochet in same stitch. Make a double crochet in the space of 3 chains. Make a triple crochet in same space. Chain 2. Make a triple crochet again in same space. Make a double crochet in same space. Make a double crochet in next stitch. Make a single crochet in same stitch. Make a single crochet in next stitch. Make a single crochet in next stitch. Make a half double crochet in next stitch and make a double crochet in same stitch. Make a double crochet in next stitch. Make a triple crochet in same stitch and make a triple crochet again in same stitch. Make a slip stitch in 5th chain. Now I'm going to crochet chain 1. Make 2 single crochets in first stitch, 1 and 2. Once, make 2 single crochets in next stitch twice. Make 2 single crochets in next stitch 3 times. Make 2 single crochets in next stitch 4 times. Make 2 single crochets in next stitch 5 times. make 2 single crochets in next stitch 6 times, make 2 single crochets in next stitch 7 times, make 2 single crochets in next stitch 8 times, and the last time make 2 single crochets in next stitch. Make a half double crochet in next stitch, make a double crochet in same stitch, make a triple crochet in next stitch, make a triple crochet in the space of 2 chains, yarn over 3 times and make a double triple crochet in same space. Yarn over 3 times and make a double triple crochet again in same space. Chain 3, 1 2 3 chains and make a pocket. Make 2 double triple crochets in same space. 1 and 2. Make a triple crochet in same space. Make a triple crochet in this stitch, make a double crochet in next stitch, make a half double crochet in same stitch, make 2 single crochets in next stitch, make 2 single crochets in next stitch twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. If you enjoy my video, please like and comment so more people can watch my contents. Many thanks. 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, and 9 times. Make a slip stitch in first chain. Okay, make a slip stitch. Chain 1 2 3 4 5. Skip first chain and make a slip stitch in each chain. Make a slip stitch, make a slip stitch, and make a slip stitch in same chain, same stitch. Chain 1, get the yarn off. It's so easy to make. My leaf is ready. Thanks for the thumbs up. Glad you found it useful. Many thanks. Talk to you later. I'll be in touch.